Imagine someone hands you $100 today. What would you do with it? Most people already know the answer: order food, buy clothes, upgrade a gadget, or spend it on something they'll forget in a week. It feels like only $100. Too small to matter. But that's exactly where people make a costly mistake. The truth is, wealth isn't built by how you spend your biggest paychecks. It's built by how you handle your smallest ones. This is called the $100 rule. Before spending any money, ask yourself one simple question: will this $100 make me richer next year or just happier for one day? Most purchases create temporary happiness: a new phone case, a fancy dinner, new shoes. The excitement fades quickly. But investing that same money can keep working for years. The amount isn't what matters, the habit is. Every wealthy person started somewhere, not with millions, not with perfect timing, just with one good financial decision repeated again and again. Imagine planting one tiny seed. The next day, nothing changes. A week later, still nothing. But if you keep watering it, one day it becomes a tree. Money works the same way. Small investments, repeated consistently, grow into something much bigger. Another mistake people make: they wait until they earn more. I'll start investing when I make more money. But when their income doubles, their spending doubles too. The habit never changes. If you can't manage $100 wisely, managing $10,000 won't suddenly become easier. Money doesn't solve bad habits, it magnifies them. That's why discipline is more valuable than income. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" ask, "What can this money become?" That question changes everything. A single investment today can become hundreds tomorrow, thousands in the future. Not because the amount was large, but because time had a chance to do its job. The people who become financially free don't think differently because they're rich. They become rich because they think differently. They see every dollar as an employee. Each dollar has one job: to bring back more dollars. If your money leaves and never returns, you're getting poorer. If your money comes back with friends, you're building wealth. That's the real difference. The next time you receive money, whether it's $20, $50, or $100, don't ask, "What can I buy today?" Ask, "What can this money build for my future?" Because financial freedom doesn't begin with millions. It begins with your next $100, and that decision could change your life forever.